Guys, GMG everyone. So how are you doing? I was supposed to drop the video earlier, but I didn't do it on weekend, so maybe I had a little bit of time. I want to do a video on how this my trading land work and what exactly is happening here, why we have been, telling you to come and start it up while it's still early. So you won't like a lot of us missed Twitter when it was early. So when it's something like this early, just like Facebook and other things, you just come in and you become early on it. You get. So let's just dive in and then talk about how it all works and what you need to know here. So this is a trading community for forex and trading in general. So forex also includes any pairs that is tradable against USD. That's what it means, and that's what it means as trading in general. So if you're trading any pairs against USD, you have so many pairs that are trading against USD. USD is US dollars, right? And then if you're a newbie, if you're intermediate, if you have experience in forex, you have experience in trading, and you have been doing this thing for over years, this community is for you. And right here we have our own community. As you can see, there's a different trend that's coming up here every day from different people, and each trend have its engagements. I can see we have one of the massive one of the most engaged trends so far, and we call it alpha circle here in NSUKKA. So what you need to do is you want to click on here. Once you come to here, like once you join this app using the link I'm going to drop on short the video, then you drop your you drop your opinions, you drop what you know about forex trading and trading in general, you drop things that you have been experiencing that is not working for you, you drop all those things that you know that this is what's have been happening. If you are knowledgeable enough but you see that your skills are not being pushed somewhere you are not like you don't like, maybe you have been dropping things on Twitter and your content, your trading skills that you know that is improving doesn't have much of engagement, this place is going to help you a lot, right? So you have seen a lot of us have dropped trade here, we have interacted with each other. Some of us that do drop trading here, and once you drop your trading, other persons are going to see it and know things they are doing for the week. Let's say I have a sell on BTC or I have a sell on XAU. I'm going to drop a trade here, and instead of just dropping a trade, I'll check up on other people's opinion. What are these guys thinking? And from there, you can also use that to boost your confidence. Not because you're trading what they're trading, but use that to boost your own confidence. You now know that you are not the only one seeing what you're saying in the market, right? That's also how to trade in general public. Now, there's also a lot of educational posts here. People talk about how they take trade. People talk about their failure. People talk about their wins. People talk about a lot of things. And it's not the only trend on this app, on this website so far. We have other trends which I'm showing you, the one that you're going to join once you use the link I'm dropping on the description of this video. Then you can see we have other trends here. So I'm talking about US 30, and this one is talking about NASDAQ 100. So, and a lot of psychology things here, fundamental analysis and the rest. You can also create a trend. Once you join and make an engagement, you are allowed to create a trend. And a trend here, you'll be able to create trend, adding pictures. You can also add your because you can also add your let's say if you have a social handle that you made a video about, you can add it here. You can drop the title of the trend you are dropping, add discussion. On discussion, you can either ask questions or put out what you want people to discuss. That's the trend you are asking. Then you have different categories. We have currency pairs, we have economic indicators, we have forex brokers. Maybe you have a forex broker that is not giving you money or that is not doing well for you in general. You want to see other people's opinion, you can also drop it as in terms of question. We have forex education, we have forex tools, we have forex trading strategy, fundamental analysis, market news, risk management, technical analysis, trading platform, and trading psychology. All these things are dropped by people and experts of it. Let's say I want to drop trading psychology. I'm just going to click on this thing right now. I'll put a psychology post, and maybe I'll just ask, let's say, why one of the psychology posts that people post most often in trading is why they are always going against their rules. So these are one of the best psychology things that a lot of people face in trading. You have some rules today, the next minute you get money, you start jumping into market and start trading. These are psychology things that a lot of people want to hear. So you drop those psychology tools that you feel like it's gonna help people. A lot of people engage, tell you what they are feeling, you give them their solution if it's already worked for you and it's solvable. Then if you look at here, if you click at the upper left hand here, you're going to see a three dotted line. So here you can also view other things. You can view calendars in terms of news and economic news, all that. Then you can also view a forex community forum. You can view different communities and people engaging. Our own community is Alpha Circle NSUKKA here, and you can actually engage here in our own community. You can as well engage with other community you feel like it's going to help you with the knowledge you are looking for. Then we have Forex University. These ones are people dropping. So far, it haven't been much of an effect yet because the websites are still developing. But once that happens, you're also going to make much use of it as well. So we also have I think forex traders. These are the people that have top followers on the website. As you can see, you can as well follow me here at Israel Jasper here. I'm gonna drop my handle on the description of the video so you can follow me as well. You follow top traders too, people that really drop opinion. People like feel that they know what they are doing. Keep on following them. Keep up to date. This is not something that stress you. You can literally wake up in the morning, check on this app just the way you check on Twitter, see your notification. Whenever you get a notification, you get notified here. And this race, I got a notification on one of the trade I dropped earlier, and once you see that like that, you're gonna see people respond from it. So once you got the notification, you see people responding to it. Like you can see, these guys responded to this thing and being quoted and carried. So far, the website is being on development. A lot of this is going to be implemented later, but for now, it's things that I need to focus on. Right now, when you click on this my profile, I'm just going to show you guys my profile right now. So I'm going to click on my profile. You can see so many trends I've dropped so far. Recently, I've been focused on our community alpha. I haven't dropped any other trend yet, but I dropped a lot of trend. Last week, I had very bad trading week, and most of them we are scalp trade and most of them did TP, but at overall I didn't think we did bad. And this week earlier I dropped a trade on Ethereum which I've been doing well so far, and if you go to Alpha Circle community you're going to see it. These are the subscribers of people I like what they are doing and are subscribed to their own trend. If I click on this guy right now, that is the community I'm talking about, then you can see different trend. And yesterday actually, I dropped trade on Ethereum, which I've been doing so well. So I'm going to show you guys the trade right now. So I'm just going to go to the last end. That was when I updated my trade. So I dropped a trade. I previously dropped a trade on BTC. That was weekend. I made a video. If you check my channel right now, I've made a video on BTC on why it's going to dump before we started dumping earlier. Also, we have a very smart traders here, experts. I mean, people that be making money from this industry. So we have a lot of them. As you can see, we have investor Argo. This guy is the owner of the trend, is the owner of the community we are in currently, and is our idolo for now. Once you are ready for this particular MTL, just check on the description of the video. You're gonna see a link to join the community and as well join these websites and start sharing your trading opinions. You don't need to struggle on Twitter. Here you can discuss everything that works for you in trading. Help others, help yourself, grow your community, do everything while it's early. That's what this thing is all about. So I made a video. I dropped a trade on Ethereum which I've hit profit. This is just free signal too. People drop trade here back to back and you all get free signals and you make money for free without looking for a signal group. So this was a trade I dropped on Ethereum. I dropped this thing on Monday. It's happened 2 hours ago, and so far this is the update on the trade. I'm trying to get the update on the trade. So this was the update when I updated the trade. As you can see, we almost saw take profits, which already is take profit by now, and that was it for MTL. So if you want to sign up, it's quite simple. If I'm going to click on this thing, actually, just once I've dropped the link, you click on it, put your Gmail, you'll be able to sign up on the app, on the website. So there's going to be an app in the future, but for now, these are the most important thing here on MTL. So I think so far they are going to implement something like prop firm recommendation, but that will be like I said, it's going to be later on. But the main purpose of this my trading land is for traders to communicate. This is a trading community, just like your trend, Instagram, Facebook, X, Twitch, whatever you are using as a social media. So thank you for watching, guys. Do have to subscribe to my channel, I appreciate you all. Turn notifications so when I drop the video like this, you're able to get updated. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.